So welcome to this video. We're going to see how you can use Canva to turn your photo to silhouette. On upload picture, you have to remove the background of your photo. On Canva, there's a background remover, but it's a premium feature. So you just click on upload photo here, then you click here. So the background has been removed. So download it. So head over to Canva, then click on upload the file, and add it to. And when it's done, you click on edit. You come here, you click on this dial tone, you click on custom. You can see the shadow is already black, so just click on highlight here, click on it and turn it to black. So that's how you can turn your image into a silhouette. So thank you for watching. To the next video.